So last week you saw me grabbing filters out of this, but we're running into an issue now, and that is I need more glove. My gloves don't go high enough to reach down all the way. So my plan here is I'm going to go down below. I'm going to drain all of the oil out, and that way we can get a good view at all the cleaning that we still have to do. But before I do that, I need to go and get some buckets. Alright, we got a bit of a glare, but if you look, that hand wheel right there just got down in the bilge, cracked that open, and as you can see, I filled buckets. Now unfortunately, I've got a bucket shortage. I have my nice bucket, but I don't want to use it for that. It's too nice to use. So I'm going to continue removing filters, so we're going to have a fun montage of that and bring you back when something else interesting happens. Through the minefield.
Watching where you're walking?
I am. You see any red footprints?
Of course, you're never going to get every spot.
Nope. You'll find the spot later.
And you turn around and have to do it all again anyway.
You should be able to lay it on the ground, on the deck, and water should come out of it because it's below the line. Why is there no water coming out? Is the valve on? It says it's on.
It's up and down.
Put it lower. Can't. Try it out.
Yeah, now we got water.
Alright.
We got water.
Here, put the other thing. Put the other thing in there. Right there. See if that. Alright.
Amazing how tight they get. Ready?
Alright, stop. Yeah, stop. That's not. No, it's draining out. Make sure you show it off of the camera.
I did last time, but I didn't.
So this is what we put in. This was our spare impeller. And, you know, it's fine, but it's starting to show some signs of age, and we didn't want to... We don't like taking this apart. So...
Make sure to pull out so the engine. I don't want the engine to start.
Where's the, do you have the outlet?
Which one is this? It doesn't matter which one is.
Where's the pump outlet? Oh, you just have it hanging.
Stop.
Out of stop, yeah. All right, now just turn the key over.
All right, that should shoot water out.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Now, why didn't you do that in the first place?
Water pump
Dumb
pumps.
son of a. Did you get that?
I did.
Was that the horn that went off?
What's that small feedback thing?
Tim, did you want to explain what the problem was?
We had broken off impellers from the last fix.
Restrictions, yeah. it was
Restrictions.
Restricting the line.
So now we have a
you
new
think that would have
impeller.
blown it out though, because that's the outlet. You know what I mean?
Well,
They're longer. They're wedged in there.
yeah, they got stuck in there just right. But hey, it worked
Why did it work from the port down here?
because it knew we needed it.
They couldn't.
We've got a new impeller, so we don't have to open that up
We're gonna take that line and put it
for
back
a
on
little
top.
while.
We had it, I think.
And then you got the shut off and the throttle working.
Yeah, this is a little issue
And
now.
then we have a new gasket on the thermostat
Alright,
and
is
the water pump.
We gotta go look.
So I'd say the whaleboat's in good shape again.
This line
I
here.
think we go here.